Hello and welcome. In this video, I just walk you through the most important question, and the question is what happen if the verbosity level made as UVM high in tick UVM info reporting mechanism? Or the other question is explain the usage of set report verbosity level. Very important and very simple. Now see, if we made the verbosity level UVM high in tick UVM info, then it will just ignore the string. Okay, and if you want to display that string whatever we have declared, so we can display with the help of this set report verbosity level. We will see this with the help of very simple example, and we will try to put this theory into this example so that you will remember the concept forever. Now see, as two lines are mandatory in order to get the access of UVM macros and UVM package. Okay, now I have declared a very simple class ABC, which is extending from UVM component. Okay, and as you know, UVM component is expecting two arguments within this default constructor. One is string name and another is UVM component parent. Now we need to register the factory tick UVM component details, and within parenthesis we need to provide this class name. Okay, and I have declared a property here int type a, and I have declared rand because in future I want this property to be randomized. Now I have declared a very simple task display, which is just displaying the message, and in that I have declared tick UVM info. Within parenthesis this is what the ID, and $s format f, within parenthesis value of a, this property, and I have declared UVM high. So this message will be ignored if we declare UVM high. But in order to display this message, the value of this a, what we can do, we need to set the verbosity. We need to change the verbosity level. Existing verbosity level we need to change with the help of this set report verbosity level. First, we will try to run this code without changing the verbosity level, and we will try to see what output we are getting. Now see, here in the top module I have declared instance of class, and within initial begin I am just creating that instance. Okay, creating the object for that, and with the help of factories create method we need to create, because if we are using function new, then overriding of factory is not possible. But here there is no need to overriding. You can use here function new. You can use that new construct, doesn't matter here. Now see, I have just randomized that class property, and with the help of this class object I am just calling this display method, which is displaying the value of that class property. Now we will try to run this code, and we will try to see what output we are getting. For that, just go to transcript and write one line command kubeverilog file name. Okay, kubeverilog, and file name is all uvm example.sv. okay, all uvm example.sv. Enter, and after that we will get the result. Wait some time. Now see, at the output we are getting nothing. Okay, no display messages here. Why? Because this verbosity is UVM high. Okay, that's why this string message is ignored. Okay, now see, in order to print that message, we need to change this existing verbosity with the help of set method. Okay, let me comment this and we will see that. And let me uncomment this. I have written a code in order to save our time. Now see, same example till now. In the top, just creating, and here I am setting that verbosity level, changing the existing verbosity. Object dot set verbosity level, object dot set report verbosity level, within parenthesis that UVM high, this verbosity. And now we will see this result. So with the help of this set report verbosity level, we can change this existing verbosity. Very important. And we will try to see what the result we are getting. First, let me uncomment another code is here. Okay, no. Now see, if we run this code, we expect that it will print the value of a random value. Okay, because we are randomizing pseudo random value we expect. Okay, now see, if we run the code, same command qverilog file name, then we expect one output, random output, or you can say pseudo random output with the help of that randomize method. Okay, now see, we are getting the output value of a is equal to this random number, because we have declared the class property as int type. In order to get a meaningful data, just make it rand bit. Okay, and make it as a 4-bit. Okay, and then rerun the code. Now we will get something different data. Now see, we are getting value of a is equal to 4, random value. So with the help of this set report verbosity level, we can change the existing verbosity level. Very important and very simple on the other hand, and most frequently asked interview question. So with this, I hope you have understood the concept of set report verbosity level and the answer of this question: what happen if the verbosity level made as UVM high in tick UVM info reporting mechanism. And also I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.